To convert XRP to USDT in Bybit, start by logging into your Bybit account and navigating to the spot trading page. Click on the Account and Balances tab to view your available XRP balance. Ensure you have sufficient XRP in your account to proceed with the conversion. Next, locate the XRP USDT trading pair and click on it to open the trading interface. By default, the interface will be set to the market order type. Since you want to convert XRP to USDT, you will be selling XRP, so you need to click on the Sell tab. In the Sell tab, you will see the market and limit order options. For a straightforward conversion, select the market order option. This will allow you to sell your XRP at the current market price. Enter the amount of XRP you want to convert to USDT in the quantity field. You can also use the percentage buttons to quickly select a portion of your XRP balance. After entering the quantity, review the order details to ensure everything is correct. Check the XRP amount, the estimated USDT you will receive, and the fees associated with the transaction. If you are satisfied with the order details, click on the Sell button to execute the market order. Once the order is executed, the XRP will be converted to USDT at the current market price, and the USDT will be added to your account balance. You can then use the USDT for further trading or withdraw it to an external wallet. It is essential to note that market orders are executed instantly, and the price may fluctuate during the execution. Therefore, it is crucial to review the order details carefully before confirming the transaction. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with the conversion, as they may vary depending on the trading pair and market conditions. By following these steps, you can easily convert XRP to USDT in Bybit. Always prioritize risk management and ensure you understand the fees and market conditions before executing any trades.